Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be making Korean style spicy fried chicken. This chicken is gonna be spicy, tangy and juicy all at the same time. And it is so crispy from the outside and very tender from the inside. And also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my further videos. Now let's get into the video. So firstly we're gonna make the seasoning. Now take a mixer jar and add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and then add in 2 tablespoon of cumin powder. Then we have to add in chicken stock cube, and if you want to skip this ingredient then you have to add in 1 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder respectively. Then go on with 2 tablespoon of oregano, then 4 tablespoon of paprika, and you have to add in 1/4 teaspoon of red food color. I'm not adding here cause my paprika has built-in red food color. Then go on with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of 7 spice. Then you have to add in Maggi spice seasoning, and also you can skip this ingredient with 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto or Chinese salt, but I like to add in this spice. So that will be our last ingredient for the seasoning. So let's blend it. And now it's done. So we have made the seasoning for 2 kg chicken. If you are going for 1 kg chicken, then take half of this or make half of it. Then let's get into the next step, marinating the chicken. So I have taken here 2 kg chicken and I have taken more of thighs and legs because we prefer more of tender flesh. Then I am adding in half of the seasoning which we prepared and then mix it. Then we have to add in 2 eggs and we are adding 2 eggs for 2 kg chicken, and if you have 1 kg then 1 egg. And then add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar, rice white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix those. Then let's cover it and marinate it for 4 hours in the refrigerator. So it's been 4 hours and my marination is done. You can see my chicken is fully coated with the seasoning. So then let's get into the next step and let's season the flour for coating. I've taken a bowl here and I'm adding in half a cup of corn flour, and then we have to add in half a cup of rice flour, then we have to add in 2 cups of hot peppers flour. And lastly we have to add in rest of the seasoning mixture. And then mix it very well. So that's done. Now let's take the marinated chicken and then coat them. Now let's coat the chicken. So I'm going to take 1 pieces and coat it with the spoon and fork. Then I'm going to take it out and shake the excess off. I find this method very clean because if we use hand, our hands are going to get coated with this flour and turns out to be a lot messier. And also if there is excess powder then you can just store it in the refrigerator for up to a month. So it's better to use fork and knife, because if you're using your hands, then the flour is gonna get spoiled within 2 days. So I'm done with the coating chicken. So if you want more crispier version, then you have to add in water with the leftover marination, and then dip the chicken which was coated firstly, then wait for 4 seconds and dip again in the flour for coating again. So I'll be doing that for 4 to 5 pieces, that's all, because we need the normal version. We means my family. And so I'm going to do the same process again and then coat it with the flour mixture. So again you can see I'm coating it very well and shaking off the excess flour. And make sure you don't have any leftover piece in this flour mixture. So that's done. Keep it aside for 10 minutes and then take the excess and keep it in a Ziploc bag for up to a month in the refrigerator. So now let's fry the chicken. So I've taken a pan here and I'm adding in 250 gram of butter. I'll be shallow frying the chicken. You can also deep fry it in oil. Any method you can use. So I'm adding in my chicken pieces. Make sure your flame is in low to medium. And it takes around 15 to 20 minutes for a batch. And if you're deep frying it in oil, then make sure to use 2 tablespoons of clarified butter just for the richness of the fried chicken. So now I'm going to flip it over after 5 minutes. You can see the texture of the chicken. It's really crispy from the outside. Please try to keep your flame in low to medium and also don't cover with the lid because it will not be crispier. And now I'm poking with the fork and checking whether it's cooked inside. It's done and I'm going to take it out on a grill, and you can see that I have kept a kitchen towel beneath it. You can see how beautiful is my chicken. Now my favorite part, let's serve. I hope you all will try this recipe at home. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. See you in my next video. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.